Hello, salut tout le monde. Joyeux Noël avec chaque grain nan ou même qui a célébré fête Noël matin. Nous souhaité que vous passez un bon Noël dans nom Jésus. Moi-même fête Noël moi c'est comme si m'tadou li pour moi comme nous connaissons moi à vivre. J'ai Japon et moi pas de famille qui avait moi site là c'est seulement même ensemble avec Marim moi. So Marim nan matin li gen douti dans travail li, so c'est reçoit que moi même ensemble avec lui que nous t'ai ouvert gift que nous t'ai acheté pour une autre. So li ouvert cadeau que m't'a acheté pour lui, ouvert cadeau que li t'ai acheté pour moi hier soir. Moi j'étais tellement excited pour m'ouvrir cadeau ça oublié pour moi était filmer réaction pam et réaction parler depuis le commencement. So c'est là nous presque fini ouvert cadeau que m't'a songé m't'a filmer quelques clips m'a mettre dans vidéo ça dans fin vidéo ça pour nous kawayo. So matin moi levé pour moi faire un bagage spécial matin. Qui ça lié bon m'expliquer nous. So moi gagné 4 ça yo que moi acheté et moi déjà écrit quelques notes en dedans li. Chaque grain 4 ça on aller pour on aller mettre yo. Moi pour aller mettre yo dans pot voisinage moi qui a vivre dans même building ça ensemble avec moi. So c'est dans pot yo m'all mettre yo juste pour moi souhaiter yo joyeux Noël. C'est un bagage que me fait chaque année parce que vous connaissez surtout les moun c'est dans militaire qui lié li a gain qui pas même gain mari ensemble avec eux parce que mari déploie. So me senti que ça c'est un bagage spécial lié pour bay moun nan un code qui gagne quelques mots d'encouragement là-dedans pour you know pour juste souhaiter mon un joyeux Noël. So c'est ça que me va faire. Moi pas mettre dans enveloppe là et puis moi taper li dans porte moun nan les ouvert porte là ya weli. Comprendre? So stay tuned parce que m'a mené nous ensemble avec moi. Started.
This one here?
No, the one in front of you.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Why am I getting bag? I'm not a woman. That's what is this? Man, big getting black stuff. The same. Alright, thank you. Look at that. It's all about black, man. Michael
That's your
Kors.
favorite color.
Thank you, honey. Thank you. Oh, man, it's beautiful.
Does it fit?
Yeah,
You like it?
of course.
Okay.
It's black.
Next.
It's perfect.
Guess of what that is.
Huh?
Take a guess.
Lotion. Perfume. It's not something to drink. It's not something for you to eat.
Open the things.
It's something to drink. It's a liquid.
Liquid?
What is this?
Ah.
I was close. Damn
No,
it.
you know you were not done. Oh, what
did I say?
You said something to drink.
No, but it was close. Because we didn't come back for I said lotion. So it was close to care. But that's really nice. That's really beautiful.
Do you like it?
Of course. I've never had a brush that has a battery in it. That's my first one. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh,
Next.
okay, this one's scary. That's a shirt, a t-shirt. Yes!
How do you know?
Yeah, shake! Oh yeah, that's a nice t-shirt, like a professional t-shirt.
Ah!
Yes?
No.
It is. Oh, I cannot.
It's not a perfume.
No, because I already bought the perfume. That's his t-shirt then. Oh my God.
I just utilize boîte là.
A t-shirt of Mario. Yes. Mario. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Women?
Of course. No matter much about a woman, you gotta love it. It doesn't matter what it is. You love it. So I'm a star or something? I'm a superstar?
Mm-hmm.
That's a superstar? That's a star?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Much.
Next. What mesi Mario smile?
Yeah, man. Perfect. All I gotta do, I just gotta eat a few more like, ribs and work out. It'll fit perfectly fine. What else? Like this one?
Mm-hmm. What do you think it is?
Close! Close! Is it?
Yep.
Oh my God, I'm so good. Because if you shake it, there's no liquid. There's no like big noise. It's got to be closed. T-shirt, purple. So what? Blue. So I'll say it's a beautiful T-shirt. Now, oh my God, I love this. I love this. You see, I'm not even gonna open this. I know it's a nice T-shirt.
The black one?
But I know this one is.
Comment fait de bon bagay noir? Ou toujours remen?
Hey, baby, listen. You know what I'm saying? You know what? You know your first lover, what you love and everything. That's your soul.
E sa kwa li toujou difficile mwen pou m shopping pou ou. Parce si ba la pa
If it's
noir.
black, no matter how ugly it is, no matter how small, no matter how big it is, I love it. It's just automatic. I don't even need to put it on. I just can feel it. I can feel it in my soul. This is gonna be perfect for everything.
You almost done.
Right,
One more left.
Well, this one.
The big one, the big green and red one.
The big green one. That one, I don't know what the hell it is. Pants. More t-shirt. More t-shirt or pants.
I don't know.
Can I be a fake hair? I don't wear wigs.
Oh, you never know. Maybe 2019 is the day for you to wear wigs.
It could be. From Fueca, monsieur. I'll tell you, monsieur. Where my pet shirt? Where my pet. Okay, I knew it. Beautiful. It's professional. It's nice. Beautiful.
Let me see. Qual sou babwe? La couleur.
It's oh yeah, that can go with the shoes.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I bought the shoes in the first place. That would go
with the shoes, but whatever with my black stuff, I don't like, yes. Now, oh crap, we got a little green in there. I hate green. But it's nice. Is that a blue? Dark blue? Yeah, it's nice. It's beautiful. That's beautiful too. That's really, really beautiful. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. That is a wonderful Christmas. That's a beautiful Christmas. Thank you, honey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, hon.
What this supposed to say the Christmas song, but I don't know how to do it, so that's why I didn't do it.
Oh, I thought okay.
Maybe get a battery are fini.
Once open it's gotta do the Christmas song?
Yeah. So did you like everything? Out of all of them, which one is your favorite?
I don't everything you bought me right here. My favorite one would have to be it's a 50-50 right now. My favorite one
is the black t-shirt.
Between this and the charger. I'd have to go out with this one. That's my favorite thing here. Second one.
That's my favorite too.
Second
I
thing
love
would be
it.
the black t-shirt. No, second thing will be the charger. Third will be that. And after that, everything else is great.
Yeah, I said it.
These
I was like,
top
I
five.
have to buy this. This is
These
super
are
cute.
the top 5. So, you know, if you just got me that one or the charger, that'd be great. But just the t-shirt itself, that is wonderful. It's beautiful. The black, I think I had one like this. Probably smaller. Yeah, but perfectly blush. I'm just saying. So yes, I like that.
But anyways, Merry Christmas to you, honey.
Thank you, love.
This is all the gift I got for you. I hope you like them.
I love it. I love it.
Hi. Merry Christmas. Just getting her drink.
It's wine time.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers to the fun because you cannot drink. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Oh,
Have
such cute.
fun and enjoy with the family and friends.
Et
Just
tout le monde
like-
a ici.
Yeah. Joyeux
Yes,
Noël.
Joyeux Noël.
Bonne année.
Yes.
Yes.
Merci. Bye-bye.
Bye.